Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. This is an informational video to go over the beads and string you'll need for the next part. Now that we have completed our 4 designs, you'll need at least 3 of each for the next part, but you do need a total of 18 of each to complete the project. In the next part, we are going to be creating the large triangle. The patterns show the connection beads and the number you will need. In the ones that I am doing, I have matched the fuchsia and purple, and then the topaz and turquoise. You can match your complementary colors in whatever order you would like. I just do recommend that you use a different color for this part than what you used in the design. Now, the string length you're going to need for creating the large triangles, and it is in 2 parts that we will be doing it. So you'll need a foot for the first part, and depending on the bead type, 2 to 2.5 feet for the second part. Now, as we are creating the large triangle, we are also going to be adding the support. For this part, which will be a 3rd part, but also part of the first 2, you'll need 5.5 feet, or 4 feet if you're using smaller beads. Now, I used in mine for the support beads the white. You can use a clear white bead also, or you can use the background color that you've chosen, like the black here, or you can choose a second background color that would complement the piece. The color you choose will show, so you can choose what you want to do. The advantage to using a different color than the black is that you can see the beads easier as you're doing the adding the support, and that would be good for this video as it is a beginner's video, and it will be easier for you if you can see the beads as you're doing them. And this is the count that you will need for whatever color you choose to use for the support. You will have a total of 6 of each design for the large triangles, and there's 4 designs, so you'll have a total of 24 large triangles when you are done creating the large triangles. I hope to see you in the next video where we will begin creating our large triangles. Happy beading!